Well, I feel pretty good. We spent most of the scrimmage today developing players. So the name guys you didn't see out there very much or at all. I mean, there's a couple, three of our better players that didn't play at all today. And so the younger guys were trying to develop into players. This is real good work for them. And I thought, obviously there were some mistakes and it was a little sloppy at times, but I thought they made a lot of improvement over the spring practice.
It's getting out there, continuing what we're doing, getting better. And then it's good to get the younger guys in like Ryan and Jimmy, get those younger quarterbacks in there to get work and just get ready for season.
Yeah, I look at it as more people hopefully get in the end zone because that means everybody had a good day. But I mean, it's just good that we started off strong and offensive line put us in the end zone.
I feel like our defense, we've all been playing with each other for a while. We have, a little bit more chemistry with each other, so we're all comfortable out there. I thought the offense did very good today, though. They really stepped it up against us, but I thought as a whole, we did good today.
Build on what we started as, 15 days, 15 practices. I think we've grown a lot as a team. We're getting better. We're just going to build on that when we go to summer.